everyone, welcome back to Diamond Painting by Donnie. I am unboxing something a little different today. I found this on AliExpress from a store called Qluo, Qluo store, and it's a little photo album, a diamond painting photo album, and there weren't too many that I liked, but I saw this one and I thought it would make a perfect gift for my granddaughter. Well, not for her per se, but for my daughter, with my granddaughter's pictures in it. So this cost $4.59. I believe, I just checked in it, I do believe it went up to $4.99. It says the measurements on it are 18 by 125, but I'm guessing it's because, I'll show you, I think it's like an accordion style photo album. But it took 63 days to get here, only because I ordered this on January 23rd, which, you know, it normally would have been fine. I got it in right before the Chinese New Year holiday, but then the virus happened and everything was delayed, so they didn't mail it until February 25th, and I received it March 26th. So it took about a month to get here, normally. So it comes with the most basic toolkit you can imagine. And it looks like they are rhinestones, lots of pink colors. So that's cool. And this is what the diamond painting looks like, the diamond painting portion of it. So it's got these cute little booties and a butterfly and then a name tag. So I could probably put her name in there. The back is actually diamond painted as well. So that's pretty cool. Now let's look at the actual photo album portion. So it's the really old style, which I kind of like. There's no protection for the pictures, but you just push these little tabs in here up like that, and then you slide your picture in there. So there's two different spots to punch up. So if you have a little bigger picture, you can use this. I don't know. I have no idea why there are two of them, but you could decorate this and everything. You could even put your picture in here and make a border with, if you have that kind of stuff, and, you know, put more diamonds decorating all around them. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spots for pictures. And if you open it up like this, it might be because you can put pictures on the other side. So one is for, yeah, that would make sense. So you could actually put 16 pictures in here. It did come a bit beat up. I mean, it was less than $5 and it was free shipping. But this will be a cute little thing to do, and then I can print off some pictures. I think I'm going to wait until her first birthday to do it, because she just turned 9 months old yesterday. Well, today technically. And so I have 3 months to get it done. So that should be plenty enough time for me to do it. I mean, the diamond painting won't take long, but it's the fact of gathering up the pictures, printing them out, and then doing the decorations on the inside. I'm not sure how much, if you added decorative diamonds on here, how much it would actually, how much thicker it would make it. But I don't think it would really matter because it's expandable. But this would be cute to be able to, you know, I don't know if you could really set it up somewhere like that, maybe on a mantle with the pictures in there. I don't know. I guess it would be more something you'd stick on a bookshelf, but you would definitely want to seal it. The cover is made with that leathery type of fabric on here. That's a cut. That's not dirt. Sorry about my ugly fingers. But yeah, this is kind of that leathery material that you get on the journals. And because it doesn't completely cover this, that makes sense why it's kind of bent over on the corners. It doesn't cover it completely. but I think it's cute. And this is the picture that it showed on the listing. So this is pretty much, it's exactly what the picture showed. This is kind of disappointing. I could probably cut this off because that's the edge of the diamond painting right there. And that really is kind of an eyesore to me. But if I'm careful, I could probably cut it off and still keep it even. Let's look at the drills that came with it. For some reason, I didn't remember them being rhinestones. But this might be a perfect project to use like some sparklers on. Or add some ABs if you have them. Okay, so yeah, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rhinestone colors and then 2 special shapes. These are considered special shapes when they are even if it's resembles a rhinestone, but it's not because it's bigger. These pink dots here are bigger. And then there's the pink slivers. So there's a lot of pink in this. There's the silver, and then kind of a purplish pink there, and then a red, a very light baby pink there, and then another purplish pink here. They kind of look like the same color. I'm wondering if one's bigger. Nope, they look the same size. So, I don't know. Maybe they have just a tiny difference in them. But I think it's really cute. Like, I could put her name on here and then her birth date here. But yeah, I think it's really cute. So if you're interested in something like this, go check the link out down below in the description box. And they do have several different other designs. And maybe you can get suggestions to other stores. But this, when I ordered this 2 months ago, this was the only one that I saw. I didn't see other stores with them. So, you know, $5, it really was a good price too, you know, my opinion. So this was just a little quick video to show this cute little accessory. It's, you know, not something I've seen shown on anyone. I haven't seen anyone posting pictures of something like this yet. So I'd like to try and find new things and let you guys know what's out there so that if it's something you're interested in, you can have a look-see. So thank you so much for watching. If you could give me a thumbs up, I'd greatly appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next video. Have fun diamond painting. Don't forget to stay safe, wash your hands, and stay at home. And don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.